Welcome to the claymation look. Imagine the sun as a friendly yellow circle of clay. Today, Maya is ready to create her own masterpiece. This isn't about painting on a mask. It's about celebrating your real features with playful color. The 2025 Future Face is all about fun, boldness, and being perfectly imperfect. Think of your favorite animated characters: bright eyes, rosy cheeks, and expressive faces. That's our goal. To use makeup like modeling clay, smudging and dabbing to create a look that's uniquely you. You don't need to be an artist, just grab some colorful products and a big smile. This look is quick, joyful, and lets your real skin shine through. Minimal skin, maximalist eyes. Keep your face fresh and natural, but go wild with color on your eyes and lips. We'll use vegan, cruelty-free products that feel good inside and out. Maya looks in the mirror, imagining who she'll be today. Adventurous, sweet, or both. The future face is about experimenting, not following rules. Embrace the happy smudges and crooked lines. They show you had fun. Gather your tools, fingers, brushes, and your favorite makeup. Let's turn your face into a joyful claymation character. Let the fun begin. Before we add color, let's prep our canvas for the claymation look butterskin. Soft, smooth, and velvety. Maya starts with a hydrating vegan primer to make her skin plump and ready. Instead of heavy foundation, she uses a light skin tint or tinted moisturizer, just enough to even out tone while letting her real skin show. She dabs and blends with her fingers for a natural finish, like smoothing soft clay. Next, a translucent setting powder is pressed in with a velour puff, especially on the T-zone, for a blurred, soft focus effect. The result? Skin that feels touchably soft, never cakey. For warmth, Maya sweeps a bronzer, a blush bronzer hybrid, across her cheeks, nose, and forehead. This gives a sun-kissed, healthy glow, as if she's been playing outside. The butterskin base is all about comfort and radiance, not perfection. It's the perfect foundation for the playful colors to come. No heavy layers, just a happy, glowing canvas. Maya smiles, ready for the next step. Your skin should look and feel like you, only brighter. Now let's get creative with color. The fun is just beginning. Time for the most exciting part. Eyes. 2025 is all about bold, playful color, and aquamarine is the star. Maya uses a cream eyeshadow, applying it with her fingertip for a vibrant, finger-painted effect. She swipes the aquamarine from lash line to crease, not worrying about perfect edges. The charm is in the slightly messy, energetic look. To add depth, she draws a soft contour line in the crease and smudges it out. This makes the blue pop and gives a gentle, modern shape. The look is expressive and confident, a joyful splash of color. You can leave it bold and simple, or add a shimmer or tiny design for extra fun. The aquamarine eye is a conversation starter, like a claymation character's big, animated eyes. Maya blinks, loving the ocean color on her lids. It's playful, fresh, and full of personality. No need for perfection, just energy and fun. This is your chance to be creative and bold. Let your eyes tell your story. Ready for the next step? With aquamarine eyes in place, it's time to amp up the personality. Maya chooses neon lashes, electric pink mascara for a playful, cartoonish vibe. She applies thick coats, letting the lashes clump and layer for a spidery high-fashion effect. The look is rebellious, artistic, and sure to make people smile. Alternatively, you could skip mascara and go for bold black liner on the waterline for a grungy, mysterious edge. Both styles are about making a statement. No shyness here. Maya loves how the pink lashes pop against the blue shadow. The color combo is unexpected and fun, like something from a fantasy world. These eye looks are meant to express your mood and creativity. Whether you choose neon or liner, let your eyes be the centerpiece. Maya wiggles her colorful lashes, feeling like a true animated character. The eyes are now the star of her future-forward face. Ready to finish the look? Let's move to lips. After bold eyes, it's time for juicy, glossy lips, the cherry glazed trend of 2025. Maya skips sharp lines, dabbing cherry red color in the center of her lips and smudging outward for a soft, diffused effect. The look is romantic and effortless, like you've just eaten fresh cherries. Next, she applies a nourishing vegan lip oil or gloss for a high-shine, plump finish. The result: lips that look dipped in cherry syrup, sweet, shiny, and modern. This style is comfortable, easy to touch up, and forgiving if it smudges. For extra fun, add a hint of shimmer for a disco effect. The glossy, blurred lip balances the bold eyes perfectly. No need for perfection, just juicy, lived-in color. Maya presses her lips together, loving the comfortable shine. The claymation look is now playful and complete. Glossy lips are the perfect finishing touch. Let your lips shine as bright as your eyes. Ready for a sun-kissed glow? Let's add warmth to the cheeks. To finish the claymation character, we need a bold, sun-kissed flush. Maya uses a cream blush in a warm terracotta shade, applying it in a W shape across her cheeks and nose. This technique mimics a natural sunburn, connecting the whole look. She blends with her fingers for a seamless, fresh effect. The warmth makes her aquamarine eyes pop and ties in with her glowing skin. It's a simple step with a huge impact, youthful, vibrant, and full of life. The sun-kissed blush brings the character to life. Use the same product on lips or eyes for harmony. The look is playful, not precise. Maya sees a face glowing with happiness and color. The claymation adventure is almost complete. Time for the final details. Freckles are the charming detail that make the future face feel real and playful. Maya enhances her natural freckles with a faux freckle pen, dotting lightly across her nose and cheeks. If you don't have freckles, create your own. Random placement and varied sizes look most natural. Tap gently with your finger to blend them in. Freckles add personality and authenticity, like handmade details on a clay figure. Try different colors for a whimsical twist. There are no rules, just have fun. The freckles ground the look, even with bold colors elsewhere. Maya admires her constellation of dots. It's the final touch that makes her character unique. Now, let's finish with brows. The last step, soft, fluffy brows to frame your claymation face. Forget harsh lines, 2025 is all about light, airy brows. Maya uses a tinted brow gel, a shade lighter than her hair, brushing hairs upward for a feathery effect. The result is brows that look full, gentle, and expressive, never overpowering. This quick step lifts the face and balances the bold eyes and lips. The fluffy texture matches the playful, imperfect vibe of the look. No need for perfection, just soft, natural framing. Maya checks her brows. They're the perfect finishing touch. The claymation character is complete from skin to brows. Your face is now a joyful, animated masterpiece. Ready to show it off? Let's wrap up. The fun is all yours. Maya admires her finished future face, a masterpiece of color, texture, and personality. She looks vibrant and expressive, not masked. This tutorial is an invitation to play and express yourself. Makeup can be a creative outlet, not a chore. Mix and match these ideas. Try new colors, new shapes, and make the look your own. The most important tool is your imagination. Choose vegan, cruelty-free products for beauty that's kind to animals and the planet. Healthy skin is the best foundation. Keep it clean and hydrated. After that, paint, smudge, and create with joy. Embrace the mess, love the color, and have fun. Your face is your canvas. Tell your story. Be your own artist, your own character. Have a wonderful, colorful time.